A chameleon is a fascinating reptile known for its remarkable ability to change color. This ability helps it communicate, regulate temperature, and stay hidden from predators in its environment. Inside the skin, specialized cells called chromatophores contain pigments that expand or contract based on signals. These signals originate in the nervous system and change with mood, light, temperature, or social interactions. Different layers of cells work together, reflecting light in ways that create vivid colors and patterns. Below the pigment cells, crystals called iridophores shift positions to reflect specific wavelengths of light. By adjusting these crystals, the chameleon can appear green, brown, yellow, or even bright blue. At the same time, its eyes move independently, allowing it to scan the entire area around it. Its long tongue launches rapidly to catch insects, extending farther than its body in a second. Strong muscles and elastic tissues store energy, releasing it quickly to power this incredibly fast movement. Each foot grips branches like a clamp, helping the chameleon climb steadily through trees and bushes. Its tail curls tightly for balance, acting like a fifth limb when navigating narrow branches. All these features work together, allowing the chameleon to survive where hiding and precision matter greatly. From color-changing skin to specialized vision and movement, it operates as a finely tuned system. Watching a chameleon in action reveals how evolution shapes creatures into highly efficient and beautifully adapted survivors. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new video.